This is one of the best manifesting formulas I've ever come across, and it comes from Bashar. He's a multidimensional being channeled by this man, Daryl Inca, in case you didn't know. And I love his teachings so much, and it resonates with me so deeply. And I was watching a podcast interview with Daryl, and he talks about how the simple formula to manifesting is triple A: acknowledge, appreciate, and allow. So acknowledge what you have, not what you don't have. This is where people sometimes get it wrong because they focus on the lack of things. They're trying to get something that they don't have, and they forget what they already have. So look at everything that's working out for you instead of the opposite. Next, appreciate. The same thing. Appreciate what you have, not what you don't have. Why are you focusing on the things that is not there right now and then making yourself feel bad about it? Bring yourself back to right here, right now, and appreciate what you already have. And the last one is allow. Allow things that you desire to come into your life effortlessly. When you acknowledge and appreciate what you have, the things you desire will easily come into your life because your mindset and your energy is not focusing on the lack of it. You're already so grateful for what you have that you're not even searching for anything outside of you to complete you, because you already feel so whole and complete within simply by acknowledging and appreciating what you have. So let me know what you think of this formula in the comments below. If you want to learn how to supercharge your manifestation using EFT tapping, join Become Magnetic at the link in my bio, or if you're on YouTube, the link is below. It basically teaches you all the things that I just talked about, how to come back to the present moment, how to relax your nervous system, and so much more. Okay? Thank you for watching. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.